Hey guys, welcome back to Glam Finds, and today we're going to do the quickest haul and first impressions ever because I gotta go soon, but I got a couple minutes and this box just arrived and I'm about to go to work. So let's just get into it. And the first thing we're going to do is talk about Lattafa's Qaa'ed. I'm not saying that right. That's okay though. The box is leather. It's kind of really nice. Ooh, the bottle is pretty nice too. That's a thick bottle. Heavy cap. You guys can't see it. Well, I'm not doing good with time here already. So this is the bottle. It's a real nice heavy glass with this gold on the outside. Pretty nice cap, honestly. It smells really fresh but warm at the same time. I'm not going to talk too much about anything other than whether or not I like it, which, by the way, this was really inexpensive, so this seems up my alley. It seems really up my alley. It definitely has Middle Eastern DNA to it. I'm going to let these all dry down too and come smell them at night because I feel like that's going to be really nice. Yeah, it's got some warmth, but I feel like it's something like maybe like an oud in here. I don't know the notes to any of these, but there's like something in here that's a little bit animalic, which could dry down really nicely. Next. This one I actually got for somebody. It's Abiyedh Rouge. It is a dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540, but I wanted to try it and let you guys know what I think because it is really inexpensive. I got my hand. Also, this bottle is really nice. I really enjoy the Lattafa bottles, honestly. Yeah. This one I feel like is going to depend on, you know, performance, but yeah, it smells really good. It's got that like peekaboo DNA. It's not as dense as Amber Oud Rouge right off the cuff, but that one is actually supposed to be the straight. This is supposed to be the EDP. All of these are going to get a full review. I'm just giving you guys initial impressions right now because I have a couple minutes. Yeah, this one, there's something in it, like something a little bit fruitier, but I really like it. I'm going to give this one a full test. But again, this one I'm not even really keeping because I feel like you can only have so many 540 clones. Next. This one is really different. It's called Istiara African Mix, and it's supposed to be a clone of CH Africa. I think that's what it's called, which I think has been discontinued for a while. This was like a really random find, but I was like, the bottle looks pretty cool. Let's give it a shot. You know, and it's made by the same company as our Moth, so I knew it wasn't going to be that bad. Okay, atomizers, okay. This smells really good. Really fruity, really fresh. Citrusy, sweet. Not what the name would kind of, I thought this was going to be like really like spicy. It's got some spices. There's something a little interesting in it, but okay, there's whatever the spices are coming out now. This one's going to need to dry down because whatever is in there that's making it unique is starting to come out. Next. So you guys already know I like the 24 line, so I got 24 Elixir Gold. I got a tester of it for around the $50 mark. It has coconut in it, so I already knew I was going to love it. Same bottle you guys know and love. Just a little shinier. This one I think is supposed to be kind of gourmand. Probably shouldn't have sprayed 2 sprays. That's probably going to be excessive. Oh God. Yeah, that's loud. That's so loud. Yeah, coconutty. There's something in here that's a little earthy though. So I think I'm gonna have to let these dry down and finish this video when I get home from work because these are opening up a lot different than I think they're going to dry down. I will go ahead and talk about the last two real quick. I got Tea Rose by the Perfumer's Workshop, which is like one of the most cheapies you'll ever get, but I've been really into rose lately. And look how much juice you get. It was under 15 bucks, I know that. Let's see what it smells like. Yeah, so really fresh rose. This is definitely what I was looking for. Really fresh. And you get that tea, but you get so much fresh rose. This actually smells really natural for how much I paid for it. The cap is insanely cheap and the atomizer is too. But for the price, I already know I'm gonna love this. Shout out to Super Fragrance Lover for putting me onto this one. He put it on his Instagram, and I was actually using a Kirk Elliott candle for spring that's now sold out. That's just this really fresh rose, and I was like, I gotta get a rose scent, and boom, I got it. Next. Alright, so you guys already know I love the Rasasi Kasamat line, and this is Kasamat Morhaf. It's supposed to be another rose fragrance, and the bottle is gorgeous, as you would expect from this brand. This is a nice deep rose scent. This is... yeah, this is my favorite. This is so nice. It's jammy, but not overly jammy and not overly sweet. It's rich. It's so sexy. It's such a sexy rose scent, guys. I think this is gonna end up being the first one I review. And I'm doing a floral week this week, so this is gonna be worn tomorrow. This is so sexy. All right, I'm gonna come back and, well, no minutes for you, and review the dry downs. So I'll see you guys tonight. All right, guys, I'm back from work. I'm gonna quickly review these dry downs. I actually almost forgot about this, but let's do it from, I don't remember what order I started these in, but let's do Lattafa Qaa'ed, the one in the really cool gold bottle that I really, really love. This reminds me a little bit of Bed Del Oud. There's something in the background. They're Oud for Glory, is what I'm talking about. But this one has like a spiciness to it that I really enjoy. I actually feel like this one's gonna wear really well on skin. But I don't want to try these all on skin right now because it's just too much and I'm about to go to bed. But yeah, I would say it's got some sweetness to it, not too much sweetness. It's more of a warm fragrance, maybe some amberiness. Yeah, I mean, I really enjoy it, and I think it's insanely nice presentation for like a $23 to $5 price tag. Let's move on. I'm gonna talk about the Estiara African Mix Pour Homme in the really cool bottle. And this one is like a really nice, sweet dry down without being syrupy sweet. The quality of this scent right now in the dry down, like, by the way, this is, what's the time? It's been, I would say, just over 10 hours since I filmed the initial spray. It's nice. It's like a soft, sweet, dry down, kind of cozy, comforting, kind of sexy if I'm being completely honest. I really am expecting this to do really well on skin. You know, there was something initially in it that was, I couldn't put my finger on it, but it was kind of weird. Yeah, I think this is going to be really good on skin. Let's just keep moving because I don't want this video to run really long. I can already tell you the one that the whole room smells like, that had like 2 sprays total, is going to be the Abiyedh Rouge, which, by the way, the cap is trash. It just kind of falls on. You can't grab it from the cap. It doesn't click into place or anything. It just, I don't know if there's something wrong with this specific cap, but yeah. Yeah, it's pretty bad. But this is, to me, like a dead ringer for Baccarat Rouge 540, which I really love. and it was really, really cheap. This is like a 65 ml or 65 ml, something like that. And it cost me about, I think it was like 23 bucks. It's really good. Again, the whole room smelled like it, so I thought that was kind of nice. Yeah, it's really, really nice. If you were thinking about getting this so you can have a cheap clone of BR540, I would recommend it for sure. The next one I'm going to do is going to be 24 Elixir Gold. This one out of all of them is going to be the one that I will definitely recommend not blind buying, because it is coconut, it's honey, it's really rich. It's maybe too decadent. If you know you're into decadent smells, but like decadent and spicy at the same time, that's what I'm getting from this. I think it will wear really nice on skin, but I think I bought it too late. Like this was fall winter, really more winter, and it's still pretty strong. So I will try this on, because we still will have like days where it's like pretty cold here. I'll try it on a colder day and see how it turns out, but that is really rich, really decadent. So let's go on to the opposite end of the spectrum. Tea Rose by the Perfumer's Workshop, which by the way, I really like that color. This was the one with the really cheap cap and like super cheap atomizer. I mean, it's a clear atomizer. Still going pretty strong. Fresh cut rose. I would say this is very linear. This hasn't changed at all. But I'm not mad about it. Sometimes you just want a nice fresh cut rose. And I feel like this could be my scent of the day tomorrow. I don't know. But I do like it. But let's move on to the last one. And it's going to be Risona Casamot Morhaf. This beautiful bottle with a little tassel. Yeah, that smells amazing. I mean, I still think that this is probably going to be my favorite one out of this. I mean, I'm really into rose right now, so I feel like the other ones didn't have that much of a chance. And this bottle is so beautiful. And I feel like they had it for such a good price. I think they have them for like 45 bucks, which is the same place, or the same price I get it for at intenseoud.com, because you can use the $15 coupon that I have linked down below. But I shop so much with Fragrance Buy that I always have 10% off pretty much. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Yeah, it's jammy rose without being too jammy. It's got a little bit of complexity to it. I really enjoy this. Week I'm trying to do florals. I try to do theme weeks, or I'm trying to do theme weeks. It's just really hard to stay in theme all week. So I think I'm gonna have to pick between this and Tea Rose for tomorrow. But we'll see. As always, thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Comment down below. Let me know what you want me to review first. You guys know I actually read that stuff and I respond to it. Be subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!